Alright, so hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leah, if you did not know already, and today I'm bringing to you my no foundation like summer makeup routine. Pretty much what I wear on my face during the summertime, since it's so hot outside and you need something lightweight on the face because the foundation and all of that can be too much in this Texas heat. If you stay in Texas, sorry. If you stay in Texas, then you know what's up. So yeah, I have a couple of products that I feel like are really good to wear when you're not wearing any foundation, so I thought that I should share them with you guys. So that is what I did today. And I just want to say one thing before we get into the video. I just want to say thank you to anyone who still comes back to my channel. I know that my consistency can be a little rocky over here, and it's because of just a lot of stuff I have going on, a lot of things that I'm trying to do, and sometimes having the time, or not the time, the energy to film, I can be a little unmotivated at times. So I'm trying to pray through that. But yeah, it's not really an excuse as to why like my consistency sucks. It's just something that I really have to get better at. But I just want to say thank you to anyone who does still click on my video, whoever decides to like it or whatever like that. You guys come back for a reason, and you guys think I'm interested enough to want to come back. So I really do appreciate that. But yeah, I love you guys. But that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, you guys, so I already started off with my eyebrows and my, I did whatever to my eyes, whatever. If you're interested in a brow tutorial, I already have one up on my channel. I'll either link it up here in the cards or down below for you guys if you're interested in watching it. So the summer is here, right? And it's hot as shit outside. Like, I have no words for the heat or whatever. So it's really hot, and you know, it's too hot for foundation. Like, I mean, we can wear it sometimes, but it's like if you're out in an event, like a day event, the foundation, the melting is just, that's just too much. It's just too much. So I have like two key products to what I like to do when I'm not wearing foundation. And I have reasons for why I like to use those products, so I just decided to sit down and make a video for you guys on what my, I guess, summer complexion routine is. Because with the eyes, like, you can do whatever. You can wear no eyeshadow, or you can wear eyeshadow, but this is mainly about complexion in the face, so I'm just gonna focus on that part. So I'm gonna use two primers today. I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finishing Primer. So this is just to blur out any any big pores, and just to really smooth out the skin. Now, one thing that I really do tell you, not tell you guys, what am I trying to say? Now, one thing that I feel like is super important for the summertime and when you're not wearing foundation is skincare. You guys really have to take care of your skin, because number one, the better your skin looks, the better your makeup looks. And then number two, like, it's too hot to be wearing makeup all the time. So, you know, you got to make sure that your skin is popping. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this primer. And if you guys were interested in a skincare routine, I do have one up on my channel as well, and I'll link that as well for you guys. It's still pretty much the same, so it's still pretty legit. Okay, so after the top is gone. Okay, so after I prime my face with that, I'm gonna go in with another Smashbox primer, and this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer in Radiance. So, you know, we all want to glow, and one thing when it comes to skincare that I recommend with glowing is either the orange Glam Glow mask or any detoxifying mask, because anytime you're stripping away all of that dirt and impurities, your skin does have like a healthy glow to it. So just be mindful of that when you're doing skincare in the summertime. Look for hydrating mask, look for detoxing masks to, you know, get all that bad shit out your skin, and masks that promote healthy glowing skin. You feel me? So really look for that. So yeah, I like to use this primer. So this really does help my skin glow under my makeup, and since I don't wear foundation and I'm not gonna put product everywhere on my face, this is gonna be a good product to, you know, help you look radiant. So some people just put this product like where the sun shines, like where your highlighted areas are, like right here and the chin. I put it all over my face because I don't know, that's just what I like to do. So that's pretty much it for priming. Make sure you moisturize very well and make sure you prime well, because the product I'm going to put up next is very mattifying. So we want to make sure that, you know, our skin is taken care of under it, especially for my ladies that are dry. I'm not a dry girl, so I won't set my makeup the same way you would probably set your makeup, but the product that I am going to use, you want to make sure that you probably would skip the blurring primer and maybe use more of a hydrating primer, because this product is very matte. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty, hold on, what's the real word? Okay. The Fenty Beauty Matchstick Concealer in the color Suede. Now, I really like this concealer. Now, when I first bought this, I've had this since it came out, and I never really used it because I never could really figure out how to use it, because the coverage on this is not that great, but we're going to fix that. The coverage is not that great, and I don't know, it's not very... I feel like I could have got a lighter color. It's not very highlighting to me, but it still works. So I like to use this, and I put this like on my chin. So I put it on my chin. Just basically everywhere where I would normally highlight, I'm gonna put this on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and then I'm gonna put it under my eyes. And we're gonna we're gonna go a little heavy under the eyes because this concealer is not super full coverage, but it's gonna work really well for the no makeup, no foundation look. You feel me? So I really like this for those purposes. So I'm gonna go under my eyes to conceal, you know, those dark circles, because that's, to me, that's where like the focus is, like the dark circles. You want to conceal all of those dark areas in your face. So I'm just gonna put that right there. I'm gonna put some right above my mouth. Hit my chin already. Put a little bit on my forehead. And like always, when I always film my videos, I always forget to wet my beauty blender. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So now that I have my beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and blend this out. Now, the reason why I really like this concealer for not wearing any foundation is because it's super matte. So it's like once it's on, it sets itself. Like, I'm going to still set it because I just have to. But I've heard so many reviews that like you barely even have to set it because it's so like matte. And I personally feel like in the summertime, mattifying products are a lot better because they seem to be more sweat proof and transfer proof versus anything that's, you know, glowy or radiant or whatever as far as makeup products. Now, really all seasons, I'm just a mattifying person. Like, it doesn't matter if it's cold or hot, I'm gonna use a mattifying foundation or whatever. But like I'm saying, I'm not using foundation today, so we're gonna use the mattifying concealer, which is gonna help, you know, like I said, with the coverage. And then when you sweat, like, it's on. Like, Rihanna, I know that she's an oily person, so when she created her complexion product, she really did cater to girls with oily skin. I know when I was watching reviews, that a lot of people that were dry had a lot of issues with her products because they were so mattifying. But that works in the case that I'm talking about, right? So it blends out pretty nicely too. So we're just gonna blend that out. I don't know if you guys can tell because of the lights. I don't know if the light is gonna make me look more, I guess, shiny than I am. But if you can see, sorry, let me not be getting up. But if you can, hold on, my head fucking itch. Okay. But if you can see, this barely even needs to be set. I have no creasing under my eyes. I have no creasing under my eyes. It's pretty dry. Like, if you would use another concealer, you'll look kind of wet, you know, where you put it. But it's pretty dry, like, so I don't really need to set it. But once you set it, it's gonna truly lock in, and it's not gonna sweat off, or if you get oily from being outside, it's not gonna move. It's gonna stay there. And that's the main reason why I really do like this product. And this is what I would wear when I'm not wearing any foundation. Now, I wouldn't be me unless I drop shit or forget shit. I gotta go get my setting powder, so I'll be back again. All right, so to set it, I'm gonna use my Dermablend, not translucent because the shit is not translucent. My Dermablend loose powder in the color Warm Saffron, and I'm just gonna set all of the places that I did put, my concealer. So once I set all of that, I'm just gonna go ahead and go into my regular routine. So I'm gonna bronze my face up with the True Complexion Contour Palette from Black Radiance. I got a new one. It's so pretty because y'all, my other one was hitting the fuck pan. Like, I was scraping for product. It was ridiculous, but I finally got one. So yeah, I'm just gonna go around the perimeters of my face with this to warm my skin up, because you know, we want to look warm, we want to look bronze, we want to look. But how y'all been? Like, talk to a bitch. How y'all been? How's your summer going? What y'all doing? You running up a check? You with your man? You going on a trip, girl? Where you going? You going to Cali? Okay, you going to Cali? Bring me back something from Cali. Oh, you going on a cruise? Oh, girl, well, tell me how the cruise went. Oh, girl, you just chilling? Oh, that's a bit. Oh, you got summer school, girl. Well, you know what, girl? You do that shit. You get in summer school and you finish that shit. And you do that shit, girl. You do that. Oh, you working on that body? Oh, bitch, I'm with you too, girl. We're gonna work on that body. What else you doing, girl? You single and hoeing? Oh, bitch, that's a bit. That's a bit. Okay, so after I did that, we're gonna move on to highlight. I think I want more of like a golden highlight today. So I'm gonna take this highlighter from, not highlighter, it's actually eyeshadow from the Juvia's Place palette. I'm gonna take this gold one, and it's, the name of this is called Casablanca. Okay, that's cute. I'm gonna take my highlighting brush from Anastasia. I'm just gonna go in and highlight my face. Nose is popping, most definitely. Okay, so at the end of everything, you obviously want to set it. I use setting spray. I'm going to use the NYX matte finishing setting spray. I use a matte finishing setting spray because all of this highlighter and glowing products like that primer that I put on, that's all cute and whatever, but once these oils start kicking in, once I go outside, you can look like a sweaty, oily, chicken grease fried mess, right? So I like to set all of the radiance with something mattifying so that way it's going to stay in place, and then it will fight the oil, and the oil and the glow gonna be fighting, but this is gonna stand in between it to just make sure you're just glowing and not oily. You know what I'm saying? The oil not gonna win over the glow. You feel me? All right, so let's go ahead and set. Whew. That's like my favorite part. What's your favorite part of makeup? That and like concealer. That's like my favorite part. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed already. If you have any like summer essential products that you like, whether it's body, face, hygiene, whatever it is, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, because you know I'm always open to trying new things. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.